All right, Scrans. So I'm starting this video off by saying I am not sponsored by SLR. I'm gonna open this up and then go through my experience with them, through my customer service wise and all that fun stuff. This is the SLR mini kit. SLR, dude. Oh, another one, dude. We got hella stickers for Kyle. Instructions. Some bubble wrap. We'll start with the big thing, you know what I mean? This is my first ever angle kit.
That looks really good. Wow.
I don't know where any of this goes. So we'll go into that. I don't know what that does. Oh, it's right there. It adjusts to your acronym. Yeah, so we got this. I don't know what would you call this? Like the tie rod relocation. Came with 8-inch tie rod extenders. Dude, all their shit pretty nice, dude.
Oh, this is like kind of heavy.
But I mean, it's got like kind of a lot going on there.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. It's like, feels super stout.
And then this here replaces the ball joint that goes to your steering knuckle. But I'll go over all that on the install. So I got 2 of those, and then this is obviously the other tie rod relocator, whatever you want to call it. That's, like I said, I'm not sponsored by SLR, which is fine. They were great. I don't remember the dude's name that I talked to. I think it started with an S, but it wasn't the owner. I was on the phone with him for like 45 minutes, going over like which one he thinks I should buy. He recommended the budget kit, but I already have the E46 arms on, and I don't have the E30 or E36 arms, and you need those for the budget kit, and I didn't feel like spending all that money. So I kind of cheaped out and got, you know, this kit. I highly recommend them. Like if you have any questions, you just call them and they pick up. I don't even remember what day it was that I called, but they picked right up, and I was literally on the phone with this dude for like 45 minutes. I was kind of a pain in the ass. I was like, what about this? And then he would say that, and then I'd kind of like go back like, oh, okay, but if I got this one, then blah, blah, blah. And he was like, you know, he didn't like tell me like, dude, just buy this and fuck off. He was like very helpful.
And
like
he ran you through the pros and cons of every single last option.
Yeah, he's like, if you might get more angle out of this, but you'll have to run a different setup for wheels, blah, 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 all that stuff. But dude was pretty nice. He was very helpful. This came really quick. I think I ordered it like 3 days ago maybe, and it's already here. So I don't have tie rods. I need to get tie rods for the E30 because I cut and welded and did some GAN shit, but I might go get some from my buddy and just buy new ones and have the new ones for when those ones are shit. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting these in, just these. These are gonna help me a lot. I'm fucked.
Show that.
Fuck.
Homemade.
Show what?
The homemade tie rod.
Oh. Yeah. No, click. Because they're gonna say I'm razzing. So first things first, you know, we got like the tie rod and shit. I gotta change that anyways. It was a little loose while I was driving around. No big deal.
Are you serious? Dude, you're a hack.
I didn't tighten them because it's not fucking to spec, dude. But I gotta take them off. I gotta take the control arm off. I have to push this ball joint out and replace it with something that I'll show you guys later, which I already showed you earlier, but I'm gonna show you again later. And then once it's in, I'll probably talk some more so that we get 801 and we can monetize this video so you guys can pay me.
Oh, wait. I'll get 801. Hold on. All right, so update on the YZ. Me and Trevor this morning, we went to Land and Sea in Waterbury. I'm getting the front tire done, and I got a new helmet and some goggles and some other cool stuff, so that's my little 30-second contribution to get 801.
Gotta put it in the air.
Now we're reaching. You want to go hit another tree?
What? Yeah.
For good content? Kyle's gonna get rained on, dude. Now you've made a leak on Kyle's bed in the RV, dude.
So you got a clutch cable, brake, and brake pads, and these are for the master.
Got the control arms out. I have to push these out somehow. All right, so I pressed in the new, what is this? Is this a Heim joint?
No, I think that's called a spherical bushing or something weird like that. I'm just uneducated banter.
Well, push the new one in. I got the passenger side done. I'm working on the driver's side now. The other part of it is pretty easy. You just bolt that kid up. This is like the worst part of it, which it wasn't even that bad, but it's kind of shitty at the same time, but it's not their fault. It's definitely better than the stock ball joint.
Got the thing halfway in.
Good enough. Fucking bolt it up. I think it's like 7 threads on each or something, but I could just be bullshitting.
All right, so do you have anything to add for to get to 801 on this video?
Do I have anything to add?
Yeah,
Okay.
801.
SLR kit looks pretty cool. I'm excited for AJ to get out and drift with us, hopefully soon.
That's as far as it goes.
Were you testing the angle right now? We're trying to. Put a wheel on it. Get reverse entries.
Kyle, you wanna put a 19 on the big gun? Does it clear? Does it hit it?
Wait, what? On
The-
this side?
On that side. The
LCA.
No.
I can fucking see.
Dude, it ain't hitting the control arm.
No,
Yeah?
it's not him.
Spin the tire. Does it hit the chassis at all? Dude, you
Nothing's-
might be mint.
Nothing's hitting. Cut it the other way.
Like more angle, dude.
Yeah, compared to stock?
Nothing's hitting.
You're gonna have crazy kart physics with
Yeah,
that.
that is pretty good. Yeah, the stock angle is like literally probably this.
Your stretch is like perfect. Might have to run a 5 mil spacer.
There's an inch spacer right now.
Huh? Well, put another 5 on it.
No rubbing.
It feels like really tight. I wonder if it's because fucking I tightened them too tight.
Maybe they just need to be worn in. I don't know. You gonna pull E? Do a baby backy. You should have pulled the handbrake.
Yeah.
Do that again, but pull the handbrake like in the middle.
Like way too tight.
Oh, it's too tight.
Like come and try and turn this shit.
You have no power steering. I guess Trevor's got STI wheels and he's gonna lower the car today.